I've always been a helper, a people's person, I had interest in being a doctor and quickly realized that you don't get to be as hands-on and see the patients through to the end as much as I would like. And as a therapist, you get to stick with them, lifelong if you want to. The outdoors has always been a passion of mine, so to be able to be a therapist and be in nature and help clients recognize the healing powers of nature at the same time, that's like a dream come true. Today's kids, I think it's been happening for a long time, it's just huge now. There's not that connection with the here and the now. Everything's on phones, everything's on computers, and it's also abstract. And if you can stick a kid in the wilderness for a little while, they can reconnect with the here and the now and what is just naturally available for them to live. I think because the work that we do with helping kids really look at their relationships and look at their behavior patterns and see, oh, you know what, I have a much bigger impact on other people in this world than I think I do, is huge. The relational piece that we hit on is something that I think is very important to our treatment model, and I think it really makes a difference in our kids' lives.